Donald Trump, a story of ambition, rise, fall, and comeback. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City, United States. He was the fourth child of Fred Trump, a successful real estate businessman, and Mary Annie MacLeod Trump, a kind and disciplined mother who came from Scotland. Donald grew up in a rich family, but his journey was not always easy or smooth. Early life and childhood. Donald Trump was very energetic and confident from a young age. He liked to win and hated to lose. His father noticed that Donald was strong-willed and sometimes aggressive. To help him learn discipline, Donald was sent to the New York Military Academy at the age of 13. Life at the military academy changed him. He learned discipline, leadership, teamwork, and responsibility. Donald later said that the academy helped him become mentally strong and confident. He also became a leader among students and enjoyed being in charge. Education and business learning. After finishing school, Donald Trump studied at Fordham University for 2 years. Later, he transferred to the Wharton School of Finance at the University of Pennsylvania, one of the best business schools in the world. In 1968, he graduated with a degree in economics. During his college years, Donald often visited construction sites with his father. He learned how real estate worked, how to buy land, build buildings, deal with banks, and manage people. His father mainly worked on middle-class housing in New York, but Donald dreamed bigger. Entering the business world. After college, Donald Trump joined his father's company, Elizabeth Trump and Son, which later became the Trump Organization. Donald wanted to move the business from Brooklyn and Queens to Manhattan, where the biggest and most famous buildings were. Many people thought Donald was too young and risky. But he believed in himself. One of his first big projects was the renovation of the Commodore Hotel, near Grand Central Station. The hotel was old and almost useless. Donald made a deal with the city and banks and turned it into the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This success made Donald Trump famous. People started noticing his confidence, bold ideas, and strong personality. Building the Trump brand. In the 1980s, Donald Trump became a big name in real estate. He built Trump Tower on Fifth Avenue in New York City. The tower was tall, shiny, and luxurious. It became a symbol of wealth and power. Donald did not just build buildings. He built a brand, his own name. He put the name, Trump, on hotels, casinos, offices, golf courses, and even products. He believed that his name itself had value. Trump became very rich and very famous. He appeared on magazine covers, newspapers, and TV shows. He wrote books, including The Art of the Deal, which became very popular. The book showed his thinking style and business mindset. Failures and financial problems. Even though Donald Trump was very successful, his life was not perfect. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, he faced serious financial problems. He had taken huge loans to build casinos and big projects. Some of his casinos went bankrupt. He lost a lot of money and was almost broke. Banks were worried, and many people believed that Trump's career was finished. But Donald Trump did not give up. He negotiated with banks, restructured his debts, and slowly came back. This period taught him hard lessons about risk, debt, and survival. Television and new fame. In 2004, Donald Trump entered television with the reality show, The Apprentice. The show became a big hit. Trump was famous for his strong voice and the line, "You're fired." The show made Trump popular among millions of people who did not know much about his business life. He became a household name, not just a businessman. Television helped Trump rebuild his image and wealth. He became more powerful as a public figure and influencer. Entering politics. For many years, Donald Trump talked about politics but did not seriously enter it. In 2015, he announced that he would run for President of the United States as a Republican. Many people laughed at him. Political experts said he had no chance. He had no political experience and spoke in a very direct and sometimes controversial way. But Trump connected with many ordinary Americans. He talked about jobs, immigration, national pride, and America first. He promised to make America strong again. Winning the presidency. In 2016, Donald Trump surprised the world by winning the presidential election. He defeated Hillary Clinton and became the 45th President of the United States. His victory shocked many people. Supporters celebrated him as a strong leader. Critics called him dangerous and unpredictable. As president, Trump made many bold decisions. He cut taxes, focused on business growth, and took a tough stand on immigration. He changed foreign policies and often used social media to speak directly to people. Controversies and criticism. Donald Trump's presidency was full of controversy. Many people criticized his language, behavior, and decisions. The media often attacked him. There were protests and political fights. Trump was impeached twice, but he was not removed from office. He remained strong among his supporters. His leadership style was different from traditional presidents. He was loud, confident, and sometimes aggressive. Some people loved this style, while others hated it. COVID-19 and end of presidency. In 2020, the world faced the COVID-19 pandemic. The crisis affected the United States deeply. Trump's handling of the pandemic received mixed reactions. In the 2020 election, Trump lost to Joe Biden. Trump claimed the election was unfair, which led to political tension in the country. On January 20, 2021, Trump left the White House. Many believed his political career was over. Life after the White House. After leaving office, Donald Trump remained very active. He continued to speak at rallies, support candidates, and stay connected with his followers. He faced legal challenges and investigations, but he did not disappear from public life. Trump continued to influence American politics strongly. A man of strong will. Donald Trump's life is a story of confidence, ambition, failure, and comeback. He is one of the most talked about people in modern history. Some see him as a hero, others as a villain. But no one can ignore him. He changed politics, media, and leadership style forever. Lessons from Donald Trump's life. Confidence matters, believing in yourself is powerful. Failure is not the end, Trump failed many times but stood up again. Branding is important, your name and image can become your strength. Risk brings reward, big success often comes with big risks. Strong opinions create impact, even critics help keep you relevant. Conclusion. Donald Trump's story is not simple black or white. It is full of success and struggle, praise and criticism, power and problems. He started as a businessman, became a media star, and then reached the highest political position in the world. His life teaches us that bold dreams, strong will, and never giving up can take a person very far. Whether people like him or not, Donald Trump's journey will be remembered for many generations.